Alright, we are having a news report today because there haven't been accident. So
Okay. We're gonna introduce ourselves
yes.
first. This is Kuma. You can call him Puma.
No,
And
I'm the 1980s guy. Okay?
Okay. My name's Drip Flamingo, but you can call me Doffy or Do Flamingo.
Manga.
So,
Alright, I'm first.
Alright.
This has been a report from a gang
Rika.
member.
Yes. And
Eto.
Gordak the Destroyer's son.
Isang anak ni Gorla, the Destroyer, anak ni Keiso, pangalan niya ay Rika at ang
Sungin, nakalimutan mo yung balita ng putik.
Yellow tape around his body.
Pre, wag na yan, pre.
Okay.
Continue. Mahabang tao, pangalan ay Asher. Sila at nasira 25 countries na
Yellow tape around his body.
sa earthquake. Ni Rika at si Samantha ay nag-peg ng 5,000 5-year-old bata orphanage. And this is your Todo News.
Okay. Putik na putik. Balita, si JL Brent ay nag-rape ng 500 billion women sa isang araw. At siya ay nag-rape ng 5,000 more women dahil siya ay si sobrang horny. At ito ang mukha niya.
Yellow tape around his body.
Alright?
So guys, you can see. Ito si Samantha, ang pinaka-large
The Caesars, dumbass. So this
just forehead sa mundo. At
So you're
siya ay
drawing?
si Villain Pegamine. Siya ay nagpeg ng Infinity 5-year-old boy. At ito ang mukha niya, mega.
Short dito eh. Alright.
Alright, my niggas.
This is your news
post.
report. Let's end. See you around, mate.